All right, hey everyone. It's what is today anyway? It's February the 4th, maybe 5th. I can't remember exactly. It's Tuesday though. Anyway, I'm in a 1994 Chevy Silverado C1500, 5.7 liter, 350 engine, and I'm going to, over the next few weeks, be working on various problems. And I wanted to document the problems, not only for if it helps anybody else on YouTube, but also a year later when I, try to remember what I did to fix that problem, I'll be able to go back and watch the video. Like I said, this truck has several problems. One of them is it stalls at low RPM when I'm sitting at a light, and when I hit the gas to take off at a light, it'll just stall. And that can be very annoying and frustrating when there's a long line behind you and people honking. There's also online board diagnostics, and I'm going to show in another video after this how to look at those diagnostics. But last night I came out and I did the paperclip to A and B. I looked at the dashboard and I read off the diagnostics. So there's service engine code number 13, I believe, which is an O2 sensor. And so I've got one of those on order from Rock Auto. One of the things I've learned is that not all the time, but a lot of times when you order parts online, you can get them significantly cheaper than going to O'Reilly's or AutoZone or your local auto parts store. Now, there is advantages in buying from your local auto parts store because sometimes there's lifetime warranty and you can take the part back. Whereas if you do it the mail, you got to pay shipping. But the part is so much less expensive when you buy it online that sometimes it's worth it to do that. But like I said, this has service engine code 13, which is a bad O2 sensor. I've already crawled up under it and looked at it, and I've got one on order from Rock Auto. So that'll be coming in, I think, for less than 20 bucks in the next few days. It also has service engine code 15, which is intake air. My wife is trying to jump up into the truck.
If I knew it was going to be so long, I would have got in the truck in the rain.
Yeah, she's kind of, she's very challenging, impatient. She's impatient.
Carry on.
All right. It wasn't raining actually, but it's
cold,
drizzling. Okay. It also has engine code 15, which is intake air control valve, and I found one of those at a junkyard, and I'll be replacing that as well. And also, I think I ordered one on a Rock Auto as well, and that's also coming in. So we'll show you guys when I replace that for service engine code 15. So I have service engine code 13, O2 sensor. 15 is an IAC intake air control valve, and then you also have service engine code 35, which is EGR valve and EGR solenoid, which is exhaust gas recirculation. You have both a valve and a solenoid. And I picked all of those up at a junkyard. Believe it or not, we have a junkyard close to us, has over 1,000 cars, and they had one 1994 Chevy Silverado. And so when I went there, this part right here on Rock Auto, even online, cost $180 to $200. It's the ECM module, engine control module. And so I picked up one from a 1994 Suburban, which I'm pretty sure will fit my vehicle. Would you mind showing mine on the dash right there? You see that? Mm-hmm. That's the one I have, but that could be bad at some point. But since they only had one out of all the cars in the junkyard, I went ahead and picked up the one at the junkyard, and they said I could return it in 30 days if it's bad, but it only cost me $40. So I thought it would be good to spend $40 to have a spare. And then also here's the problem that we're going to work on for this video. I did a long introduction, and I want to share with you guys. This is the annoying clicking sound that comes from the blend. Can we
just say it clicks?
No, I'm going to show everybody because everybody has to hear it. Okay, my wife is so annoyed so easily. She's impatient and easily annoyed. But okay, so here's the sound.
It goes on for a long time.
It goes on for 30 seconds.
Put on your headphones.
No, it's not. Put on your headphones. So it's called a blend door actuator clicking noise. It's very common. And if I was a professional mechanic, I would rip out the whole dash and I would replace the actuator. It's a long process and it's expensive, but I'm going to show you the redneck way of fixing this. Let me show you what it sounds like.
Did you make up the redneck way?
Yeah, I'm going to show you how to do it. Basically, you just disconnect the actuator. But let's turn it on. I'm not going to turn the engine on, but just turn the key on. And put the thing so they hear it. It goes on for 30 seconds. You guys hear that?
Okay, you can turn it off now.
No, I want it to go for the full 30 seconds.
No, we don't want...
People with the same problem need to be able to...
It goes on for 30 seconds.
Yeah, it goes on for 30 seconds.
Okay, fast
Not
forward.
only does it go on for 30 seconds when you turn the key on. I'm gonna let it go off.
When you turn it off, it does the same
It does the same thing. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off now.
Oh, so we get a whole minute of it.
Yeah, you get a whole minute of clicking. Okay, now I'm going to show you the redneck way of fixing this. If my wife will help me hold the camera and not complain anymore. I know it is a freezing, drizzling day, but she could have like had a little bit better attitude as we make this video. So I got a flashlight and a screwdriver, and I'm going to fix this clicking noise. So let's. Did you show him as I turn the key on?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're going to have to get out, and you're going to have to help me hold the camera.
Okay.
All right.
We're gonna go in the glove box next. You can't do it over my lap. If I
maybe.
scoot a little?
Maybe you can hold the.
Yeah.
Let me hold the camera and you hold the flashlight.
I'll hold the flashlight and the camera. Look.
Okay. No, but you got to hold it way down here so you can see up in the dash.
Oh, up in.
Yeah. So I'm gonna. So let's get situated. I'm gonna go under the passenger side dash, and I'm gonna go way up in here, and I'm gonna try to situate the camera.
For the redneck.
The redneck. So I just got tired of the clicking. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that. Hold on. If you could hold the camera right there, babe. If you could hold it right there, that would be no the camera. No, not the camera. Just hold the flashlight right there. I'm gonna move my arm. Okay. Now, if you can get a screwdriver up in there. Hold on.
How many people?
Well, you're not getting a lot of people. Come on, babe, work with me here. Right there. Just hold it right there. Right there. Okay. Now, if you can get your screwdriver. Now, I can't see the camera. You're really... Okay, hold on. Really a mess here. What happened here?
You told me to hold it in front of your face.
Okay, hold on. Now, I need to show... Okay, I can't... Okay, hold on. Oh, that's... Okay, yeah. Is that... Okay, yeah. See that? I finally got it. Okay, that's the perfect position of the camera and the light. Don't move the light. Matter of fact, point the light down just a little bit. Okay, now watch this. Let me pull this out. Oh, my gosh. Oh, come on.
Did you come up with this all on your own?
Yeah, all you got, okay. You guys see that? It's disconnected. I disconnected the actuator.
Okay, let's see if it's still making
Now, let's see if it makes a noise. Okay, hold on.
No noise.
Yeah, there's no noise.
Hey, that's
And guess
so
what?
great.
Now turn it off. There's no 30-second annoying clicking noise, and you know what? My defroster still works. That's all I really care about.
Oh.
It may have affected. I turned on the heater, and it still blows out heat from the defroster up here. So that's really all I care about is that I got a heater.
What about my feet?
I don't know if your feet may be a little cold. I don't know what that affects actually. I don't really care what it affects. That actuator down there. All I care is that I don't want to hear that dang noise. So
I don't care if I have
that was an 8-minute
feet?
video to how to fix a actuator clicking noise.
Okay,
Just disconnect the actuator. Can you turn it off because I got gloves on?
Thank you.